casi llorando, de verdad. En serio, es una locura. Fijaos la laguna.
He's saying this is crazy.
Temblando, ¿eh?
He's saying this is crazy. I'm literally crying in tears.
Impresionante.
Impresionante.
Fijaos cómo se está
It's
poniendo.
amazing, it's crazy.
Esto sí que no me lo esperaba, tío.
They're trying to lure these guys
Mira, mira,
into
hermano, se
sea.
está poniendo.
And the tide is getting high.
Estoy sin palabras, en serio. Estoy totalmente sin palabras. No sé cuántas sirenas han cantado a la vez, o sea, ha sido todo de golpe, porque con el periodo del mar no sé, se nos ha presto ya. 3, 4.
3 or 4,
Wow.
maybe?
Yo estoy.
They don't know how many mermaids there are.
Menudo recibimiento nos han dado, tío.
He's at a loss of words.
12 pasos. Fijaos mi mano. Parece que se está viendo algo en el agua allí, tío.
So in a second they're going to say they see something.
¿Has visto
And
la
they're going to
mancha
start
esa ahí
pointing it.
en la ola?
They're saying that it's pretty clear.
Hostia, tío, qué recibimiento, loco. Esto sí que no me lo esperaba, tío. Y ahí otro, ¿eh? Nada más llegar. Sí. Hay dos seres, uno ahí. Fijaos, mira, se ve claramente ahí, ¿eh? Ahí.
Okay, you see activity right there. You guys let me know what y'all think about all this. This is pretty crazy.
I was out here fishing and sirens came from this island. I swear to God, I have it on video. I'm gonna play it shortly. Did you catch that, guys? Okay. For real though, my cast is gonna be gone. And there's nothing on your hook. I have a worm. Guys, do you hear this?
You hear them? They're singing. Yo, that shit was instantaneous, bro. Oh, I gotta watch my step out here, man.
In Vietnam, a group of young people went fishing in Ma Trang Lagoon at night. After a while removing the fish out of the net, they discovered that there was a silver ring stuck to the net. The young man was observing the bracelet when a hand reached out and pulled him under the water. Some people thought it was just a fake video, but after taking a closer look at the video, they discovered it was indeed a raised hand with a black face and bright eyes hidden under the water. This hand performs the action very quickly. Only when slowing down the video can be clearly seen.
That's real,
This young man was later successfully rescued by others after he had drunk a full stomach of water.
One, a fisherman known as Sauce 90 began having these bizarre and mysterious encounters while on the ocean. And after going viral with several videos, he disappeared from the internet. Now just recently, Sauce 90 began uploading videos once more of these mysterious encounters of what people believe to be evidence of the existence of mermaids.
Absolutely. You've never seen anything like this? No.
But before I show you these videos, let me explain how it all started.
Sauce 90, and we just out here. We're chilling.
It all began with him hearing strange vocalizations at night in the middle of the ocean.
Out here. Where are you? This is crazy. I heard it. I hear it. Crazy. That's nuts.
In this particular video, if you pay close attention, we can hear what sounds like some sort of vocalization, as if this creature, whatever it is trying to communicate with him. It is a popular belief that mermaids try to lure people in by singing or enchanting sailors, and I guess this is exactly what was happening with Sauce 90.
Can you hear me?
At the docks, though?
Hey, yo, you hear that?
I know what the that is. That bitch followed me the in. Oh, at the docks though?
Just a couple of days after, Sauce 90 goes back to his commercial fishing trips, and on one dark night, he finds a mysterious bone on the ship's deck. After posting the picture to Instagram, there were many internet users stating that this is possibly the tail of a mermaid. Now, being someone with a certain level of expertise on marine life, Sauce 90 is unable to identify the bone, so he takes it to an expert.
It was the day I got a call back from the whaling museum, and they had an expert there who was willing to talk to me about the bone that I had found.
Don't know what it is.
Yeah, everybody's saying they never seen nothing like it. Usually the bones that come up are like vertebrae and stuff, but nobody's seen anything like this.
Now, just recently, he posted another video where we can see that there's something once again swimming next to his boat. On that same night, he captured something swimming very close to his boat, so he gets his camera and tries to snap a video of it. And this is what he saw. Did you see that? Now, whatever this thing is, most internet users agree that there's something there and that it could be a mermaid.
Kayakers been encountering shit like this lately, y'all. Yo, look at this shit. Tell me if y'all see it. Hold on, pay attention. Y'all see the head right there? Bro, that's a siren.
I think that they're about to show a video I saw a little earlier today on this. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Alright, watch this. It's like a dart or something. Check it out! Did you see that? That did not look like a fish. That was not a fish. You know what I think we just saw, people?
Some toast.
No, you did not.
You want jelly on it?
You did not make toast.